In the name of Allah, today I want to show you in this video how to Excel to Notepad convert online. Step by step learning. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates and press the bell icon. Alright, right, let's jump on the PC.
Let's say you have an Excel document and you want to Excel to Notepad converter online. So to convert the Excel to Notepad, just click the link in the description. Open the site. This is the site which will help us convert a Excel to Notepad document. So click Select File and then select the Excel document which you want and click Open. And here selects the Notepad file format, the text format. And here click Convert. And here a few seconds wait Excel to Notepad converter online. As you can see, automatic download. The file will be downloaded to your computer. Now if you open it, and here you can see we have get the Notepad file. This is how to Excel to Notepad converter online. It's a very easy way. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.